Hi, so today I want to take you through a nice exercise called the Immortal Pushes a Stone, and we're going to use this exercise with the healing sounds, the 6 healing sounds. So the 6 healing sounds are for all the organs of the body. So the first one is going to be for the lungs. That sound is the S sound. That's going to help to release any heaviness that might be in your lungs. Then we're going to work with the kidney sound. Kidney's lower back area. That sound is shri, shri, shri. And all of them will be done as a whisper. And that helps to release any heaviness in the kidneys, things like fear. Then we're going to work with the liver sound. That sound is shu, like what you wear on your feet. Shu. And that'll release any anger in the liver. Then we're going to work with our beautiful heart. That sound is ha, H-A. Ha, like a sigh. That's to release stress and anxiety. Then we're going to work with the spleen sound. That sound is who, like who are you? Who. And you can even make it a little bit deeper in the throat to be a little bit more like what the Chinese would do. Who, and that would be really starting to open up the throat and help release worry. And the last sound is she, and that's to balance out the heat in the body. So let's take all those sounds and extend your right arm. Bring your left hand to your hip. Take a nice breath in through the nose. Exhale, look over your left shoulder. Inhale as you look over the left shoulder. Exhale, push the left hand forward as you make the S sound for the lungs. Good. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Take a breath in. Exhale, look over your right shoulder. Inhale as you look over the shoulder. Exhale the S sound. Good. Let's help the kidneys with the shri sound. Take a breath in. Exhale, look over the shoulder. Inhale. And shri sound. Shri. Good. Take a breath in. Exhale, look over the right shoulder. Inhale. Good. Take another breath in. Let's help the liver. Exhale, look over the left shoulder. Inhale. The shu sound. Shoo. Good. Take a breath in. Exhale, look over the shoulder. Inhale. Shoo. Good. Let's help the heart. Take a breath in. Exhale. Inhale through the nose. Exhale the ha sound. Take a breath in. Exhale. Take another breath in. Good. Let's help the spleen. Take a breath in. Exhale. Look over the shoulder. Inhale. Our who sound. Take a breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Another who sound. Good. Triple warmer sound, the she sound. Take a breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Good. Take a breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Good. Bring your hands down to your navel. Take some nice deep breaths. Get a sense of how all the help you've just given the organs, moving the energies like pushing a stone, pushing the troubles away. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.